How to add Google Analytics to Shopify. Hey everybody! If you're also wondering how, in today's video we will be guiding you, so let's just get started. So what you may do is you need to have the analytics page opened up, which is analyticsgoogle.com, and the admin page of Shopify and your Shopify website available. You can just go ahead and open it up here. Once it opens up, you can head over to Analytics homepage. So once the setup is completed, you should be finding this option called Go to Stream Setup, or you can directly look out for the section of Home where you will be finding section for web page. You can just go ahead and click on it and open it up like this. And then once you open it up, you can look out for this wave, choose a platform option, set wave, and here we need to paste in the URL. For example, let's say my shop's name on Shopify is Tech. So you do not need to provide an HTTPS. You can select the website URL. After that, you can just go ahead and type in your URL of your Shopify. For example, mine is tech.com. After that, you can type in your stream name, which is Shopify. Of course, you can just go ahead and type in Shopify site. After that is then you can just go ahead and create and continue. Look out for this create and continue option. Go ahead and do so. And when you do, you will be finding all of your data streams, including this site that you've just added here. Now, once your wave stream details is confirmed here, you can just go ahead and close this up and you can head over to shopify.admin.com. From here, you can locate up settings in the bottom left corner, open up your settings within here, and here look out for apps and sales channels on the left hand side. Open it up and here you'll be finding different options. And from here, you can look out for Shopify App Store at the top. Open up the App Store of Shopify and wait for it to load up. And once it loads up, you can basically search for analytics here, which is Google Analytics, and open it up. Or this one right here. Just go ahead and open it up. And then look for Google and YouTube and then go ahead and install it up. Wait for the installation to be completed. It may take a while for the installation to be completed. Click on this install app option, confirm it, and wait for the setup to be completed. And once it is completed, you need to connect the Google account that you connected in Analytics earlier, the one that you're using for everything. Connect it up here. Let me just go ahead and connect it here. And once you are here, you will be finding Get Started with Google and YouTube. On your right hand side, you will be finding this Google Analytics 4 for your store. Click on Get Started. After that, you may scroll down for option and you can just go ahead and add up your property here and connect it. Complete your setup and connect your property right here. And then you will be getting message that Google Analytics has been set up completely. After you get that message, you can head over to Analytics and you can look out for this box right here, switch products, and you can look out for Analytics here. It will take 48 hours for it to be completely set up, and there you go. So you may follow up this method if you would like to set up your Shopify with Google Analytics. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.